International Airport is a planned airport construction project for the Ethiopian capital of Addis Ababa. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise intends to construct this second airport in order to ease the capacity strain on the current airport in Addis. The budget projected at between 40 Ethiopian birrs minus 50 billion, United States dollars minus 2.5 billion, and expected to feature 4 runways and will have capacity to handle up to 120 million passengers per once the project is complete. An associated airport city will feature hotels, shopping malls, office buildings and apartments. ADP Engineering is conducting the planning study for the new airport project. A new site as well as the construction's official schedule before the 11th of September 2018. Jan 2018. Ethiopian Airlines Group CEO Tewolde Gebremeryam stated the site of the future airport in Addis Ababa has been shortlisted to 6 possibilities. The site's criteria included proximity to the city as well as an altitude lower than 2,300 meters. The new airport will feature 4 runways and accommodate up to 80 million passengers per. Ethiopia plans to announce the new site as well as the construction's official schedule before the 11th of September 2018. November 2015. Ethiopia's Transport Minister Workneh Gebayu said the ministry is finalizing plans to commence construction of a new airport for Addis Ababa in 2016. The airport is expected to cost 4 billion United States dollars over 8 years of construction, according to Mr. Gebayu. The airport will have 4 runways and capacity for more than 100 million passengers per. The Ethiopian government has narrowed the choice of prospective sites to 3, all of which are between 37 and 44 miles from Addis Ababa. ADPI is conducting the planning study for the new facility. October 2015. The 19th of October 2015. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise (EAE) announced it will move to seek loans to finance the new Addis Ababa International Airport once a site has been selected. The 4 billion United States dollars airport will include an airport city and free zone, as part of plans to develop Addis Ababa as a major travel hub for Africa. The airport will be located within a 100 km radius of the Ethiopian capital and will have a maximum design capacity of 120 million passengers per. The 16th of October 2015. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise (EAE) CEO Tedros Dawit confirmed Ethiopia's Ministry of Transport is finalizing plans for the development of a new major hub airport for Addis Ababa, with construction to start in 2016. Sep 2015. Ethiopia's Minister of Transport Workneh Gebayu said the Ethiopian Airports Enterprises plans to start work on the new Addis Ababa International Airport in 2016. The short list of sites for the airport has been narrowed from 8 to 3 locations. Project consultant ADPI has submitted a report to the Ethiopian Airports Enterprise, which will evaluate the report and present its conclusions to the ministry. The new airport will have 4 runways and terminals with capacity to handle up to 120 million passengers per. The 31st of March 2015. Egypt's Housing Minister Mustafa Madbouli said the Egyptian government is willing to participate in the development of the new Addis Ababa International Airport, as well as other transportation infrastructure projects, as part of efforts to increase the level of bilateral cooperation between the 2 countries. The 27th of March 2015. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise (AEA) CEO Tedros Dawit said the new Addis Ababa International Airport will create one of the largest hubs in Africa and no other country on the continent is planning to develop as much airport capacity as Ethiopia. The airport Master Plan calls for development of capacity for up to 100 million passengers per. The encroachment of urban areas on the existing Addis Ababa Bole International Airport, limiting space for expansion, combined with the existing overcrowding of the facility, has prompted the development of the new airport. The 10th of March 2015. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise Project Manager Hailu Gebremeryam reported the expansion of Addis Ababa Bole International Airport will be sufficient to handle projected demand growth for the next 15 years. The expansion of the airport, which handled 7 million passengers in 2014, is due to be completed by 2018. EAE plans to eventually construct a new airport at a site within a 60 to 70 km radius of Addis Ababa with a capacity for 70 million passengers per. to replace the current airport. The new airport could be operational by 2025. Feb 2015. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise reported that it has narrowed down the potential sites for the new Addis Ababa International Airport from 8 to 3 locations, with a final decision on location to be made within the next 6 months. The airport will be located within 70 kilometers of Addis Ababa. Once a site is selected, work is expected to take 4 to 5 years before the new airport goes into operation. Mar 2014. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise (EAE) head of public relations Wandam Teklu said sites at Dukum, Majo and Tefki were identified for the construction of a new airport serving Addis Ababa. The Dukum site is 30 kilometers southeast of Addis Ababa, Majo is 70 kilometers to the southeast and Tefki is 39 kilometers to the west. EAE plans to undertake a bidding process to appoint a consultant to select a site and perform design work for the proposed airport. Thank you watching Africa video. See you again. Please subscribe the channel.